name is Phyllis of JRC Restoration Decor and Designs. I'm excited to have you all join me today. I will be creating my first DIY project, and it will be a tray table. I purchased the tray from Goodwill, and I'll be repurposing an old table that I purchased from Dollar General several years ago. I got this idea from Overstock and Wayfair.com when I was searching for a side table to have in my living room. So I hope you enjoy. So let's get started. First, I will detach the legs from the tabletop. And here I am sanding the legs because they are rusted, and this will provide a smooth coverage before applying the paint. I also sanded the tray to prep for painting as well. I chose Brilliant Gold Spray Paint by Design Master that I purchased from the Home Depot as my color of choice for the entire table. And here is the finished project. I am so proud of it. The tray I purchased from Goodwill for $3.93 and the table from Dollar General for $5. Now there are several ways that the table can be styled according to your liking. You can do it with or without a glass top. Even a mirror placed in the center of the table came to my mind. The possibilities are just endless. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and remember to like and share this video as well as turning on your notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And remember, the distance between your dream and reality is called action. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.